Okay, now the water boiling right now. When the water boiling, you drop off the bubble. That's how you boil the bubble, okay? Drop off, boiling for 20 minutes and keep stirring until they fry up on the top. Then good to go. Let them be on their own for 20 minutes. It's easy. Okay. You know, boil the bubble, you have to have secret. If you have no secret, cook bubble. That's why I show you how to do it right here. My secret. Okay, bubble start boiling. I have about 2 more minutes. I will turn it off. This is just about almost right. Okay, the bubble done. 20 minutes already done. So what I do? Close it up for 10 minutes and turn it off. Let them stay there for 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, the bubble already done. 10-15 minutes. So in here, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to clean it up. Here, throw the hot water out. Okay, alright, go ahead, fill up the new cold water, just clean it. About 2-3 times, clean very well, and then ready to put in the drink. Put any kind of drink. You can put in whatever drink you want, coffee, Thai tea, green tea, black tea, any kind. Now ready? Even just cranberry juice, because you know cranberry is good for you too. You can put this bubble in a cranberry with ice and enjoy. Here you bubble. Okay, ready, done. Okay, so sitting right here, I'm gonna go ahead and make a drink. Any kind of drink you can enjoy it. Okay. สบายดีหมดทุกคนมื้อนี้จะไม่เห็นกาแฟน้ำเย็นของฝรั่งโอเคนำมาเด้อสิเฮ็ดเบิ่งคนง่ายๆในปัจจุบันง่ายๆ easy and set it's so good I smell coffee I make friends I smell coffee it could be so good and come on let's just go do it กาแฟน้ำเย็นก็มีนมขุ่นนมอัดกาผู้เฒ่าสิมันนมขุ่นโอเคเริ่มต้นเลย First, put the dancing milk. ที่แรกก็เธอ dancing milk ก่อน okay? Okay, put the I don't put no sugar. So just go ahead and add more. I don't put no sugar. Okay? ใส่น้ำตาลใส่แต่นมลูกเดียว Okay, นมใส่นมเนี่ยมันขุ่นมันก็แซ่บ Okay. Okay, อันนี้มัน this is equipment of make coffee. อันนี้เป็นเครื่องเฮ็ด coffee. เอาหัวนี้ออกอันนี้มันเห็น this is right here plus the coffee going down so take it off เอาออกตรงนี้ if you want very strong put 1 spoon 2 spoon 3 spoon 3 บวง okay put this one back over here. Show you. Okay, boom. The coffee's already in. Put this one on top, just like that. Okay. Okay. Condensed milk on the bottom. Coffee on top. The water boiling hot not right now. Okay. Ready. Put the water in. Just like that. So let them go down for a little bit more. See, go down. This is very good. Strong coffee. Coffee is แซ่บแล้วก็หอมของฝรั่ง Okay, let them going down. The water go low right now. What you do? Add on more water. Just like that. เป็นบ่ง่ายๆนึงถอกลงไปโหลดใส่3 บวงปุ๊กกาแฟตัวนี้ปุ๊กแซ่บ Okay, the water go less, going down a little bit more, so add another water again. Keep dripping, just like that. And the bubble waiting for now เฮ็ด coffee บ้านง่ายๆ easy all you have to do just buy the coffee buy this coffee put in the house this French coffee เด้อพี่น้องฝรั่ง coffee ฝรั่งเศสของฝรั่งเศสอันนี้นะแล้วก็มี condensing milk นมข้นขนมง่ายๆ very easy okay show you again in case people don't know the coffee this coffee okay French coffee you can read French coffee they have in the Asian market Chinese market Korean market Vietnamese market Thai market everywhere Asian only okay and use condensing milk don't use half and half condensing milk is make things taste so good coffee going down okay coffee ready all the water gone I want to show you all the water going down all gone when I pick it up this one and one glass right there okay enough just so one serve and what I do I take off like that just stir ง่ายๆคนให้มันเข้ากันให้มันเปื่อย everything นม condensed milk โคนให้มันเปื่อยแล้วละ very good coffee is so strong tastes good everything smell coffee is so good okay now this is bubble coffee you're gonna go ahead put the bubble in there the bubble just boiling just finish boiling you like more put more you like less put less but this is gonna make a lot of fun when you this is bubble coffee save some more and make another drink okay this is ice go on go ahead when you make coffee put a lot of ice I love a lot of ice okay now look at this guy bubble ice coffee bubble ice coffee ready okay let's go make another one make Thai tea make a Thai tea คือเก่า same thing put the condensed milk but this time I have less condensed milk that's okay show you how to do it okay it's good enough don't need too sweet okay here the machine same process this is Thai tea okay ice milk Thai tea this is Thai tea powder from Thailand ชาเย็น okay ชานมเย็น alright let's go ahead put the Thai tea in the machine right here I set up okay gonna be take off this only or take off this machine it'll be very good Thai tea spoon 2 spoon 3 spoon okay 3 spoon that's good strong like that and put this machine back on see the water very hot boiling now turn it off go ahead get up in here see that they're going down how easy is that? Very very easy โอเคง่ายๆเฮ็ดกาแฟนมเย็นโอเค add more water เติมน้ำอีกพอดีเต็มจอก very easy let them going down and then stir do the same process okay Thai tea ready waiting for and then right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bubble left over in here enjoy the bubble guys enjoy you can put anything enjoy the drink add the bubble in there Thai tea is already down. Wow, look at that. And still the same process, same process. Hit kid long mung de. Who love the Thai tea? Who somebody love Thai tea so much. To be honest to you, I got a food truck. I have the food truck. I sell the bubble tea. People love Thai tea so much. Okay, and I'm gonna take this is good enough sweet enough. Sometimes you want too sweet. Perfect. Okay. Okay, add the ice. Put the ice in here. Coffee, กาแฟนมเย็น and coffee. Ready to drink, just like that. So easy, guys. Okay, มาเด้อมากินกาแฟนมเย็นกาแฟนมเย็นใส่บับเบิ้ลหน่อยนึงให้ที่ใส่บับเบิ้ลหลายWhich one you like, huh? Thai tea, oh, okay. Cheers. Thai tea and coffee.
Perfect.
Guys, you like this Thai tea and coffee? Follow me. Show you how to make, okay? Okay, mother.